Everybody knows the best fishing's off a private dock. There's 6 of them here, 1/4 mile long each. I am absolutely sure the world record brown bullhead swims in these waters, right underneath these boats. Some bird, it was talking it up. It flew right over our head. Talking it up. Got him. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, we got a nice little catfish here. Ooh, ooh. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah. All right. This is one of those real strangely mottled colored ones. What do they call this? It's, maybe it's a true brown bullhead. He looks 5-6 pounds maybe. Let him wear himself out. Hopefully he won't break a line when I try to pick him up. And he won't duker one off on us. Go here, you. Alright, let's see what we got. Now shall we chance it? Pick him up. Alright, line. Hold up. Be sure to hold up. There we go. Yeah, we got him. Look at the color on this thing. He is ugly. Oh, he's not ugly. He's a pretty fish. You're a pretty fish. You're a pretty fish. Keep telling yourself that. I'm a pretty fish. Hey, open up. Come on. Open up. Come on. Open up. Open up. Come on. Alright, I'm just spin then, huh? You wanna spin for a while? I'll let you spin. Ha! Gotcha. Alright. There we go. Yes, sir. Well. Whoops. I know I'm gonna let you go. Let's everybody have a look at it. Okay. He wants to go get his flying lesson. Now, I believe this is a brown bullhead. What's that? Contact. Contact. Whoa, he did a double back gainer. Did you see that, folks? Let's give him a 9.5. He really stuck the landing. Yes, sir. That's why our American catfish win those competitions. High diving. The world record for the brown bullhead, 7 pounds, 6 ounces. I have caught them twice that size here, and I'm sure they weighed over 10 pounds.